Flip owners would dream about this feature and it is coming. Samsung is putting out the biggest update for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you talk about which one is it, then it's a new display. And all of the previous leaks were wrong about the Galaxy Z Flip 5 outer display, because Samsung is putting out a massive display for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and is even getting started in production, which is insane. I would say you can now play games on your outer display on Galaxy Z Flip 5. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Samsung is putting a 3.8 inches outer display on Galaxy Z Flip 5. It is confirmed. But how? As display supply chain consultant talked about it, it was rumored before Galaxy Z Flip 5 is coming with 3.1 inches display, but now it is even bigger at 3.8 inches. Just to let you know how big is the difference we have, last year it was only 1.9 inches. Samsung can now add more features to the outer display and you can easily read messages and get notifications. And also, this new display is squared off, which is much better than the Find and 2 Flip. Let me know in the comments, what features do you want to see on the Galaxy Z Flip 5? Getting this bigger display, the cameras on Galaxy Z Flip 5 would be horizontal compared to the vertical layout. What about the camera updates? Samsung is going to put the 12MP main shooter and 12MP ultra-wide cameras on Galaxy Z Flip 5, but it is coming with the new sensor. We can expect a better quality out of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 cameras though. Even design mockup of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is telling a similar story, where we are getting the squared-off display and the hinge design is very minimal, meaning using a new hinge design enables Samsung to put this much bigger display on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. This new hinge design is water drop hinge and is coming with waterproofing. The battery is a bit of a concern, but as per sources, Flip 5 is coming with a bigger battery. How big? At least for now 200 mAh more than last year at 3700 mAh, and by adding a new power efficient processor, Flip 5 will last much longer compared to the Galaxy Z Flip 4. The color options are also out for the Galaxy Z Flip 5, where we are going to get 4 color options: beige, gray, light green, and pink. The big question is, are we going to get a bespoke edition? I am not expecting. Let me know your thoughts, because one half of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be fully covered with displays, so we might see a single color options. Do you guys know that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 processor information is out, where it beat the Galaxy S23 Ultra? If you want to check, you can watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.